Ever wanted to learn Python but thought it was too hard? Here's the truth, Python is actually the easiest programming language to start with. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to go from zero to coding hero. Python reads like English, making it beginner-friendly. It's used everywhere: artificial intelligence, data science, web development, and automation. Big companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram use Python daily. You're learning a skill that actually gets you hired. Plus, it's completely free and has an amazing community ready to help. Master these three pillars and you got Python basics locked down. First, variables and data types. Think of variables as labeled boxes storing information. First, variables and data. Second, loops and conditions, letting your code make decisions and repeat tasks automatically. Third, functions, reusable chunks of code that save time and keep things organized. These fundamentals build everything else. Don't just watch tutorials, code along with them. Start tiny, print your name, add 2 numbers, create a simple list. Then tackle mini projects, a calculator app, a quiz game, a password checker. Practice questions help cement learning. Write code every single day, even for 15 minutes. Mistakes are learning opportunities. Week 1, syntax and basic operations. Week 2, loops and conditionals. Week 3, functions and file handling. Week 4, combine everything in projects. After this foundation, you'll be ready for libraries like Pandas for data analysis or Django for web apps. Your journey to becoming a Python developer starts right here, right now. Hit that subscribe button for more AA and coding tutorials. Drop a comment sharing what you want to build with Python. Let's learn together.